These are the X Tufa puppies.
Nice and fluffy.
Yes, they are stock coat pups. Hi, babies. Come on. Yeah, come on. Get in it, play in the sailboat. Hi, baby boo. Hi, Oben. Hi, Octavia. Hi, and this is Olin.
Olin looks very good too.
Yeah, they all does. They're little. Good girl, Mama. Hi, Bubba. Hi, guys. I know. They'll be 7 weeks old tomorrow. Yes, huh, buddy? I know. I know, handsome man. Who wants a toy? Yeah, get some toys. Look. Get it, Octavia. Hi. Hi, sweeties. I know. Are you gonna eat some grass? What are you doing, Oben? Come here.
Good. Oh,
Boys. Good boys. You go through the tunnel. Come on, Octavia. Halfway for you.
yeah, but these guys are
Good job, guys. I got you. Oh, no, you're not gonna get it. You just went through. Go get it. Go get the toy. Good girl. Come on, babies. Good girl. You went through it. Yay. Oh, hello. Hi. He did it. Yeah, that's Olin. Huh, Octavia? You did good girls. Huh? Yeah, you did good girls. Okay, okay. No tongue kissing, please. Hi, buddy. Ooh. Good girl. What you doing, Octavia? Hi, Mama. Is everybody tired now? Are we hot? I know.